Greetings aspirants. In this video, we will be walking you step by step through the application form for the 2-year full-time PGP 2025-2027 programs of MDI. The deadline to complete this application is until 5 p.m. on Friday, the 22nd of November. The application form is available on the official website of MDI as well as in the description below. Before beginning with your application, it is recommended that you go through the detailed instructions available on the same link as the application form. Thereafter, you can proceed with registering yourself on the website using your email address and mobile number to access the application form. Please note that the email ID provided during registration will be used for all further official communication. After you have registered yourself, you will receive an email on your email ID provided, which will contain the link to access the application form window. You can also save and exit the application window anytime. You can resume your application by clicking on the Continue button on the dashboard against the MDI application form for the 2-year full-time PGP 2025 program. In the first step, under the campus field, select your preferred campus, followed by the program or programs of your choice. Fill out the remaining applicant details as required and ensure that all mandatory fields have been filled. For the date of birth field, use the on-screen calendar to enter your date of birth. Please note that it is not required to fill the GMAT field, and it is only applicable if you are fulfilling the GMAT eligibility criteria as mentioned in the form instructions. Similarly, proceed to fill out the parent details and address details as required. In the next step, under the Educational Qualification section, kindly fill out your 10th, 12th, undergraduation details followed by your post-graduation and professional degree details if applicable. Note that all subjects must be considered for percentage calculation irrespective of the board you belong to. To convert your CGPA into percentage, simply divide your obtained CGPA by the maximum CGPA and multiply by 100. Also ensure that you round off the percentages to 2 decimal points. In the next section, fill out your work experience details as applicable. Note that the first and last salary slips, work experience certificates, and Form 16 for all applicable years in cases of employment for over a year must be submitted as a single PDF document in reverse chronological order, starting from your latest organization. If you are still employed with your current organization, mention the date you would be submitting your application form in the To field. Use the Remarks section to mention your reasons for not being able to provide your required documents. You can now proceed to upload your documents. Ensure that you follow the guidelines with respect to the format and size of the files to be uploaded. Once you have finished uploading your documents, you can proceed to the final section where you can select the cities for interview as per your preference and preview your application form before submission. Once done, kindly complete the declaration and payment to submit your application. In case of any further questions, you can reach out to us by clicking the Ask Any Questions option available in the application form. Thank you for watching, and we wish you luck on your journey ahead.